Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm gonna do a little quick update, and this right here, guys, this is the little question mark, the little line that lets you know that you're getting close to a freaking margin call. This is the freaking line right here. You see, if you click on this, this is right here, margin maintenance line. It says keep your portfolio value above your margin maintenance to avoid a margin call. This line may shift as you buy and sell. As you see, if my portfolio goes down any lower than to cross this line, and this line is right now at 32,974. If it goes down another $700, I will be forced to sell stock. And why am I to that point right now? Let's look at my portfolio real quick. Let's look at my investing. As you see, my margin use is still down to 16,900, but my margin maintenance is 32,974. Oh god, yeah. Sorry, I literally just woke up right now. I need to record this video real quick. Do a little quick update. And it's mainly due because of my option plays. So I'm not really scared or anything. Like on Monday, I believe that this line will go down. And if worst comes to worst, then I will sell these tattooed chef puts. Because right now, this is why it's like considered margin, because I'm using this money even though I'm not really using it. It's not considered using margin, but it does count towards this number to the margin maintenance. So if I was using another 5,000 or whatever, then this number would be, this number right here for margin maintenance will go up to 36,000 or 37,900. But my total margin use would still be the same, but my investment risk would go up, because technically there's the potential that I could use that money, and the potential that I could be executed to use to sell those puts and buy. I had to buy all those shares. But I'm fine as long as my portfolio can stay above this line. I'm fine. And if it does go below this line, then I will take a small little loss, and I will probably have to sell off some of these tattooed chef covered puts, and I'll be fine. But let's go over the percentages. It looks like the portfolio is getting hit pretty goddamn hard. We see Neo down 2%. This is the main reason why. It seems that since we hit that recent high of 55, it's just went basically straight down from 55 all the way down to where we are right now at 42.50. As long as we can stay over $40, it's whatever. I don't think we'll ever get back to the super lows of low 30s. I mean, I think low 40s would be fine. If we can survive until the end of July, that's when the next catalysts come up, the delivery numbers and earnings, which I probably would see this stock break past 55. I think we can probably hit $60 by that time. I think after we get the numbers and the delivery numbers and earnings numbers, we'll probably get back up to 60. I don't know if we can get back to all-time highs. Maybe. It depends on the numbers that we see. We might get back to 60s. And with that, we'll be way back on track. So I believe today's the 16th or the 15th? Today's the 16th, yeah. So we're past the halfway point of the month. So just a little bit more and we'll be able to see Neo skyrocket. That's what I believe. Remember, I'm just a noob. I'm a noob investor, beginner investor. Do your own due diligence. I am no financial advisor. And then we see Tilray down 3.4%. So this under $14. Pay attention to this one. This is a price alert right here for people out there. Tattooed Chef barely moves, man. This is why I'm selling some puts for monthly puts, because I can probably make anywhere from $250 to $350 per month on this easily for the next couple of months, as long as it doesn't move. I could do the same thing with Corsair. Let's just say for the month from now until August 20th, how much can I put? Right now I have $10,500 available after. How many can I put down? I could probably put down 4 of these. Really? Oh, let's look at this one. Before these for $27.50, I get about $400. Yeah, as long as I can make a little bit more than $250, I'm fine. And I think Corsair under $30 is a freaking steal. And you can get for $27.50, and you get the $400 premium. That's probably what I'm gonna do next week. I'm gonna keep doing that until my margin gets lower and lower until I believe I can get under 10K. So I need about $6,900 more until I can get $6,937 until I can get under 10K. That's the goal. And then I can finally start adding some shares. I think the opportunity to get shares for Neo, this is probably one of the last weeks. Next week and the week after that will be the last weeks. I believe you can get Neo for a pretty good discount. Remember, to become a Neo millionaire, you need about 3,000 shares. So I'm about a fourth of the way there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it. I think Tattooed Chef and Corsair are beautiful buy right now. Tilray, debatable if you believe in that space. And Tesla long term is always a beast. MP, look at MP is down freaking 3.98%. Let's look at the monthlies for this one. Sell put for $30. What is a good buy for this? What do I think is a good buy? $30. Well, $30 I would be down way more than 10%. So maybe I can do $30. Look at the, oh my god, look at this. $4.50 if you do 3 of these. Shit, that's a really good one right there. That's a really good one. And then Ethereum, still down quite a bit. So there's actually a lot of good deals right now that I would personally be buying. Ethereum, MP, Corsair, Tattooed, even Tilray. These 4. Let's see if you were to do this one. How many can you do? Let's go to August 20th. Sell some puts. Even go to $12. $12. How many can you do? Look at that. For 8, so a little bit more than $900. You get $536 in premium on Tilray if you're willing to take that risk. That's pretty good. That's pretty good right there. Maybe I might do that, honestly. How much am I gonna get from this? 316. Yeah, 316. Look at that. That's really good. Let's look at some of the ones that I'm interested in. I'm always interested in Airbnb. I don't know what price I would be getting it at. Let's see. I would like to see it go lower than it has been already. 130. Ooh. Under 130, pay attention to Airbnb. I'm gonna get big going. Let's see if it can go under 30K. I'm also interested in ChargePoint. Let's see. It really went up pretty high. It's 35. Now it's at 22. How fast was that? The end of June to mid-July. It went down. It went all the way up to 35. Did it go higher than 35? 30, almost 37. And now it's at 20, under 23. God dang. Pay attention to the charge point. But look at this, Jumia. Oh my god, Jumia, dude. Yeah, I think all these growth plays are just doing the same thing. Palantir is at 21. Also, CCIV. Where's CCIV? $22.86. Something didn't fall as much. But yeah, those are the things I'm really interested in. I'm still doing the plan. I'm still showing you guys every single thing. I want to really get my margin down 6,900. I'm probably going to deposit $200 to $400 on Tuesday, most likely, or whenever I get the direct deposit. Stay tuned for that. I'll keep you guys updated. Remember, as always, drop a like, subscribe, turn post notifications on. I'll see you guys in the next one.